In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Toile Christmas stamp set, along with its coordinating Tidings All Around stamp set, and also the coordinating Christmas cardinal dies and all around wreath dies. So the Christmas cardinal comes in a bundle with the Toile Christmas and coordinates with it. So you've got this banner that you can cut out, this banner, the cardinal, the branches, and then some extra pieces as well. The all around wreath dies, you can cut out, or Tidings All Around, and the all around wreath dies, you can cut out the wreath, and then you can cut this really pretty separate wreath as well. And then you've got some other elements there too. And both of these bundles coordinate together. So here's the card. I started with a piece of Very Vanilla, and I trimmed off 1 inch from the edge. So this is a piece of 5.5 by 7.5, and then I scored it at 4 1/4. So I'm just going to tack down some of this paper from the Toile Christmas paper. Really pretty patterns. Of course, it has Toile, and then it has this really lovely stripe. And it comes in red, real red, and garden green. All right, so now I've already cut out the wreaths using this wreath die right here. And I'm just going to poke out some of these little pieces right here. I didn't do that yet. I just love this wreath, it's so pretty. And I decided to do it in 2 colors to give it a little bit more dimension, instead of just 1 color and having it be flat. All right, so there's one. And we'll do this one. This is Old Olive, and the other wreath is Garden Green. So we're sticking to traditional Christmas colors. All right, so now that we've got these all popped out, I just went ahead and put a little bit of adhesive on some of these middle leaves. I'm lazy with adhesive. And then I'm just gonna offset that a little bit. And then we can do the same thing here. Just add some adhesive on the little middle pieces. And then we're gonna place that down on the card. I probably shouldn't put adhesive on this side because the card kind of comes off. So I will use the adhesive remover to get that off. So remember not to put adhesive on this side right there, like me. I also embossed "May your days be merry and bright" in white, so I could place that on there. So I'm gonna do that with some dimensionals. I'm going to cut some more. I use up all my dimensionals, every little bit. Okay, so now we can place that in there. Our wreath is coming together. And then we've got this lovely ribbon, double-stitched ribbon. So I just tied a bow. And then I'm going to cut this off this way and use some glue dots, probably 2. And place it here on the bottom. And then the last bit is to use some of these Toile Tidings glitter enamel dots. They're super, super pretty. So we'll do one of these over here. I'm gonna switch it up on this one. And we'll do some up here. There we go. pretty. And that is our card using the Tidings All Around and All Around Wreath bundle, as well as the Christmas cardinal, the Toile Christmas. And we just used the sentiment and the banner die from that. We didn't use the cardinal, but still you can make beautiful cards with the combination of those stamp sets. So please go to my website, eStampin.com, and use the hostess code to order. You get 10% off when you purchase a bundle, and I will send you a gift if you order online. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.